We just woke up. Wait, actually, we didn't just wake up, but we woke up. I didn't just wake up, and now I'm making pancakes. So we'll show you how we do it. We're making 14 pancakes. Is that 2 cups? No, probably not.
It's probably like 1 cup.
No, it's 2. Oh.
It's not. Wait, is this a 2 cup thing or?
No, this is 1 cup thing.
Whoops.
So we ran out of pancakes, so crust.
Here's your cut.
And now we're eating Bisquick by Crocker. Of milk. Half cup of milk. Do you want almond milk? Are we going healthy today? No.
I mean, after all the crap I've eaten, I don't know.
We need a liquid measuring cup.
It's over there.
And what's the vine of the kid who's like on that show?
What?
Okay. Guys, this is good batter. I told you. We divided the recipes.
It's so clumpy.
Well, then we need more milk.
No, keep stirring.
Probably just like another half cup. Or should we add another egg? Is that the problem?
Vlog, what do you think? I know
Or
you
should we
can't
add
answer
another
me.
half egg? Divide egg in half.
Vlog, I know you can't hear me or like answer me, but like, what do you?
Oh, well, these pancakes turn out to be like delicious.
Delicious.
And what if there's like a chemical reaction?
I think we should have went with egg.
No, I think it's really good. Have a good meal.
I mean, we could just make thick pancakes. Like this could be thick pancakes.
Okay, let's
She a thickie. This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Oh, wait, that's enough.
No, that's not enough.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Well, you can add more on top of your pancake. And
She's not ready yet.
my pancake.
You gotta turn up the heat. This is Kate's pancake. It looks really good.
No bubbles.
Shut up. Okay. When your pancake starts to form bubbles, this is barely any bubbles, but you can see them. That means you flip. Like right here. Zoom in, 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 zoom in. That's when you try to flip it. That's it. This tastes like a scone and not like a pancake, so. Soul Surfer, and I'm like hashtag scared because I haven't seen this in so long. Kate's. So it's like 12 right now. I'm sorry I didn't end the video, but I'm just chilling with my boobies. My friends left. Into the video. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Goodbye. But what?